Hey guys, today we are going to see about Amazon S3, which is simple storage service. Okay, so in this service we can have all type of storage like files, yeah, like images, videos, or any formats of files. Okay, so this is an object oriented storage service so that you can store any type of files in this bucket. So bucket is a container, it's a container that have all of the files. Okay, so let me create bucket. So bucket name, so when you provide a bucket name you have to provide a globally unique name, which means the bucket name shouldn't be exist in global AWS account, not only your AWS account, global AWS account. So you have to choose like the name that doesn't exist with the bucket. Okay, so I will give demo. So number. Okay, so ACLs is to control the object level, individual object level controls, but it is the recommended is to disable the ACLs because there are two types of policies you already going to use. Okay, so one is bucket policy, one is IAM policy. So if you want to manage object level or cross account, AWS recommend you to use bucket policy, since that's the simplicity of managing permissions. Okay, so if you want to specifically control object level, individual object level permission, you can use ACLs. Otherwise it is recommended to disable the ACLs. Okay, so block all public access. By default, all public access will be blocked. The bucket versioning, you can enable bucket versioning, so we will see this in later. Okay, so that is a default encryption. So SSC server side encryption for S3 is by default enabled. You can choose KMS or dual layer server side encryptions. Okay, for now let me choose SSC S3 and create bucket. Yeah, so this bucket has been created since the name is globally unique. Okay, so I click the bucket, so I can upload the buckets files in this bucket. I can have a folder as UI mentioned, it's a folder, create folder, but it's actually a prefix, like it's a one path of the S3 bucket. Okay, so for now I will upload the files directly. Click upload, click add files. So I'm going to add one image, copy.jpg. Okay, upload. So close. So if you click this object, you can see the details of the object. Okay, so the size of the object, type of the object, and key is the object name itself. Okay, so let's say if I open, so I'm able to access through opening from S3 bucket, but if I try to open it from the URL, I get access denied. Okay, so that is because you are a owner of the bucket, right? So on the owner of the object, coffee object. So when you click open, it is opened with the pre-signed URL. Okay, so it has some client and credentials. When you open it from a console, you have all those credentials, security token. Okay, so that's why you are able to open. But when you try it from URL were not able to access the object. That is because it is not a public. Okay, so and I can show you the folders. So so now I have uploaded the object, so I'm going to create a folder. Let's say images folder. Okay, and create folder. So this is nothing but the one prefix, extra prefix after the S3 bucket that says a folder. Okay, so under this folder I'm going to upload other object, add files. Okay, so now I'm going to beach open. So I'm going to upload this. Okay, and close. And if I open this page.jb, here you can see in URI there is one extra path called images, so which is folder and which is prefix. I can also open this and able to access through open option from this console, but if I click the URL, I will get a access denied since this is also not a public. Okay guys, that's it for this lecture. We will see bucket policy and static web hosting in S3 in next lecture. Thank you.